2024 begins. Let's raise a glass, turn up the volume, and welcome 2024 with open arms.
Of course, we are wishing everyone joy, abundance, healing, good health, and all of your heart's desire for yourself, your families, and for the entire country. May all of our wishes come true.
Wow, and this is the perfect time to rewind